Welcome to How to Play Uno Golf. To play, you will need the Uno Golf card game, 2 to 8 players, and something to keep score with. Each player is dealt 6 cards face down. The players do not look at the cards being dealt to them. These 6 cards are placed into a 2x3 grid, still face down. The remaining deck is placed face down in the middle as a draw pile. The top card of the draw pile is flipped face up to start the discard pile. Each player gets to pick one of their cards in their layout to flip face up. The object of the game is to have the lowest score after 9 rounds. Players will take turns drawing and playing cards into their grid with the goal of keeping their score low. This is done by moving low-numbered cards into their layout or by matching cards in rank or color in a column. The player left of the dealer gets the first turn. Diana can draw the top card of the draw pile or the top card of the discard pile. Diana chooses to draw the top card of the draw pile. The card drawn can replace a card in the layout or be discarded. Diana will put the yellow 4 into her layout and discard the card being replaced. When the cards in a column match in rank or color, they are discarded. Diana will discard the matching 4s in any order she wants. Play moves left to Peter to draw a card. Peter draws from the draw deck. When a player discards a drawn card from the draw deck, the player will flip up one card from their layout. If the card discarded is an action card, the action is settled. There are 4 types of action cards that are activated when discarded. The reverse cards will reverse the order of play. The skip cards will force the next player's turn to be skipped. The draw 2 cards will cause the next player to draw 2 cards and add them as a new face-down column in their layout. Plus, they will lose their turn. The double draw 2 cards will let the player of the card select 2 opponents to draw 2 cards and add them as a new face-down column in their layout, or the player of the double draw 2 card can select 1 opponent to draw 4 cards and add them as 2 new face-down columns in their layout. When a player gets all their cards in their layout flipped face up, the round is over. All other players will flip up all remaining face-down cards in their layout. Any matches can be cleared from their layout. The numbers showing on the cards remaining in a player's grid will equal their score for the round. Diana cleared all her cards and scores 0 for the round. Peter has a total of 6 and Wade has a total of 6. The scores are recorded. A new round is then dealt. After 9 rounds of play, the player with the lowest total score wins the game. Diana wins this game. When a player only has 1 face-down card in their layout, they must announce Uno. If another player calls Uno first, the player with the face-down card must draw 2 cards and create a new column in their layout. If you enjoyed learning how to play Uno Golf and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.